They say the Sun family are descendants of Sun Tzu. That must be why.
It's great to have you with us. Please allow me to once again extend our warmest welcome. Now, regarding your position among our ranks, feel free to do as you please. You didn't expect that, did you? While fighting the Yellow Turbans, you followed your own intuition and greatly... It is our hope that you can achieve similar results in our service.
Well, it wouldn't be right to put all the pressure on you. That's why you and I will be working together.
Huang Gai, wait. I think it would be better if I went with him. After all, none of you expected me to be here anyway, so it shouldn't make much of an impact on our main force.
Hear that? It seems Changsha has taken a liking to you. As for which of the two you will accompany, the choice is yours.
Don't worry. I won't force you to choose me.
I would be very happy to have the chance to fight by your side.
Well, let's move on to the meeting, shall we? All here? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Good?
Okay.
Sun Jian, the Bow Maiden.
Good luck to you. The rebel army is prepared to engage us. All units, be on your guard. They have the high ground.
Okay, now! All units, attack at once! Enemies in a place like this?
Damn, an ambush already. From the looks of things, we're surrounded.
I shall protect everyone. Come, onward we go!
Stay calm, everyone. We can handle this. Crush the ambush, then regroup. I too shall join the fray. Lead the ones in front to me. Forward march!
Fate has not been on our side. We'll just have to make our own luck.
What's next?
The sun's here!
Stay sharp. I can see it all.
Time to act.
Your skills,
The enemy officer
definitely special. Been defeated. Has the ambush been dealt with? Do not worry about advancing. We must help our allies.
Good. The enemy has been repelled in the west.
We shall march on and push on the front line. Begin advancing.
Enemy troops are likely hiding ahead. Maybe we can lure them out and crush them all at once. Still, we must march on.
This is bad. If someone doesn't get here fast, we're done for.
The enemies in front have retreated. Time for us to push on the front line. Start the advance.
Yes, this area should work nicely. All units, wait here until the strategy is in place.
Chuji, you are defending the Western Front, yes? Good. Hide your forces there.
Understood. We shall await the enemy.
Oh. You come to defend the center, Ou Xing? Perfect timing. Hide your forces there.
Using the enemy's own tactics.
The enemy
against them,
officer
are you?
has been defeated.
Danger hangs palpable in the air. I shall go. Forward march!
This is how it's done. Stay sharp. Must stay sharp. Even later, the enemy officer has been defeated.
We shall wait here and observe Lord Sun Jian's excellent example with our own eyes.
I must become stronger, so that I may instill in everyone the courage to fight.
Eastern front is settled for now. Bolster the defenses. Start the advance.
The enemy officer has been defeated.
Sun Jian, you are defending the Eastern Front, yes? Good. Keep your soldiers out of sight.
So you would have us ambush them in return. Take this.
Stay sharp. Time to act. This territory is the enemy officer has been defeated.
Preparations are now complete.
Take this!
Shall we begin? As for bait to lure out our hidden prey, I, the Tiger of Shandong, and more than up for the task. Forward march!
Let's go.
I, Governor Sun Jian of Changsha, have defeated the rebel traitor Ou Xing. Surrender at once. No mercy will be shown to any who resist.
So the General himself has made an appearance. Come on, you lot. We'll make a name for ourselves by taking him down. Start the advance!
If there were still this many soldiers hidden away, we would have been in dire straits had we headed directly into the fray.
Stay sharp. I'll see it all.
Good. We've got them right where we want them. Now, let's let the hunt begin.
Sun Jian has fled. After him, men. Slay the devil and earn us some prestige.
A general willing to play the decoy is a troublesome one, indeed.
Let's go.
Still, we shall speak of this later. We cannot allow this chance to pass.
The head of a warrior family must show strength above all and stand in front of the pack. Isn't that right, Father?
Take them down! What, an ambush? Thought we were the ones laying the traps. Now, take them apart!
Up in smoke.
There we go!
It's the shame of being surrounded. You had better go take back that base!
Start the advance!
Believe this.
The enemy officer
intends to strike the camp. Do they? Let us offer them the resounding welcome they deserve. What's next?
All right, let's go! Did you stand behind and cower in safety? Would Sun Jian and the princess risk their lives on the front line? I think not. The enemy officer has been defeated.
Now, but don't let up.
Let's go. Stay sharp. Look on her and see it out. Get this here.
The battle
The
is
enemy
more
officer
intense than I
has been
anticipated, but I will continue to fight without complaint.
Take this. Take this. Must stay sharp. Do it like you mean it. Time to act. Amazing. You are a swift and deadly warrior. Has been defeated.
Looks like we've wiped out the enemies we lured in.
Let's go.
Now, to take the leader's head and end this battle. Forward march!
Officer, you must be kidding!
I challenge you to battle.
Prepare yourself!
Take this.
Stay sharp.
Time to act.
And I think this...
The enemy officer has been defeated.
What's next?
Take this.
Must stay sharp. Must stay sharp.
Don't make enemy officers like they used to.
Take this! Take this.
What's next? Must stay sharp. There we go. There we go. There we go.
This territory. The enemy
The
officer
entire battlefield
has
with
been defeated.
composure and objectivity. That is how a veteran fights.
Let's go.
I won't hand over Changsha to the likes of you!
Looks like I owe you one. Just for today, you'll have a reprieve from my criticism.
Must stay sharp.
The enemy officer has been defeated.
Sure know how to fight!
Amazing! We cannot succeed. Not without you.
Stay sharp. Stay sharp. You can see it. What's next? Stay sharp.
officer has been defeated.
Is this the end?
Yet another rebellion, quelled in its infancy.